all you viewers of Being Later, how we doing today? I know, I got the real filming area back. Kind of cool, right? Got the good light, got everything else going on, but still, as you know by that thumbnail title, whatever else you clicked on, we have something that's been missing from the channel for a very long time now. Battlbox is back on the channel. Alright, we're going to get to all the goodness here in just a moment, but I will say it like this. No, I haven't subscribed to it for a very, very long time. I have my own various reasons. I've been with them for a while. I did a whole bunch of videos, but they sent out an email, alright? And in that email they went, hey, we've got this item in the box, and of course, hold on a second. Alright, for those of you familiar with my channel, you know, kids. But still, like I said, they sent out this email that went, hey, in this upcoming box, we've got this one item that everybody really, really, really wants. We're going to give you an opportunity to purchase the box without having to resubscribe. So I went, okay. They had this little, hey, click here on this link, get a surprise thing. I went, click the link, and went, ooh, with my smart ass, I had to get that item. So I purchased the Pro Plus box. So we're going to get into this today. I mean, it's been a long time. I think they were in mission 30s since I brought Battlbox to my channel. And I think this is mission 78. So we're going to do things a little bit differently today, okay? I hope you guys can understand. Yep, mission 78. Now, the first thing that I like is, a while ago, they got away from mission-oriented boxes. All right, so they could put in a whole bunch of cool gear, and there you go. Well, they did away with cards, you know, the mission cards, and now you get this really cool, neat little book. Not bad. I like how they've got it all broken down like they usually do, and we'll get into it here in a moment. If you're unfamiliar with Battlbox, it is a monthly subscription box, okay? They have 4 levels. The basic, the pro, basic, advanced, pro, pro plus. Basically, the pro plus is like the cutting implement of the month. We used to call it the knife of the month, but, you know, there's been different things in there. So the more you spend is the more you get. If you go at the ultimate level, you get everything right below it, all right? So what I like is they usually try to give you more for your value than what you paid. Now, normally I'd be ripping everything open and going, hey, let's try this, let's try this. Nope. Today I'm just going to show you the stuff and talk about it really, really quick. First item up in the basic box is these Temp and Toss disposable forehead thermometer strips. I'm not really going to go into price points because you can find them anywhere else at different price points. I understand that they have to put down stuff that they think is the manufacturer's suggested retail price, and you might be able to find it otherwhere cheaper. Basically, they're little temperature things that can go on, you know, little thermometers or whatever temperature takers that, you know, on the forehead. And with the Rona and everything else running around, having itty bitty little stuff out there, I get it. Something else, something cool. Okay. Next up is ReadyWise. It's a breakfast freeze-dried meal. All right. I've tried ReadyWise before. It's not one of my favorites, but it's food. Food in a pinch will save your life. So, breakfast skillet. Okay. What do we got in there? Eggs, sausage, peppers, and breakfast seasoning. Okay. Not bad. Freeze-dried food. Now, this one I've seen on Instagram, and I was really excited when I saw Kern's spoiler video. It's the Bigfoot Bushcraft fire starters. You get 60 of these little guys in here. Now, there's the neat little instructions right there on the back. Basically, they're like those little Tinder quicks. Rough them up, scuff them up, do whatever, hit a spark, flame goes up. So 60 in a resealable bag is a good thing. You can break them down, put them in different kits. You can experiment a little bit with them. You can have a little bit of fun. So that's kind of cool. Oh, wow, that's the basic? Okay. So next up in the basic is the Flitz Tactical Gun and Knife Kit. Dude, Flitz is really cool polishing stuff. I mean, it can take a nasty, dirty, disgusting looking thing, a little bit of work, a little bit of leg work, a little bit of elbow grease, get yourself a nice little shine on. So it looks like you're getting, what do we got here? Extreme gun, knife and bow protection, a sealant. You get the Flitz polish, which is good for metal, plastic, and fiberglass. Restores paint. Okay. And you get the matte finish plus a rag on the back. So, not bad. Like I said, I'm doing this review a little bit differently, okay? Some of you I know are going to hate it. Some might like it. Whatever, because I usually pick items out of the box and I go into them. Alright, next up is the advanced box. This one I just kind of giggled. It's the cat necklight. Well, excuse me, CT7100 LED necklight. Looks like it's got, what, 200 lumens on the highest setting. It's going to last you 2.5 hours of power. Lowest setting about 5 hours, and it's good out to about 30 meters. You can bounce this thing off of 1.8 meters, and it's water resistant. So I don't know, this may end up in my son's care or something else. I don't know. I don't see myself wearing that because I've got headlamps. And trust me, I understand when you're out in the woods in the backcountry and everything, you need hands-free stuff. So you want something that's going to be able to leave these free without tying up something. And, you know, biting on an O-light for a while, it gets old real quick. But okay, so this is the reason why I got the box. Hands down, yes. The PD, this is the Pro. The cat was the advanced, everything else was the basic. This is the Pro box. The PD 100 full face respirator gas mask. That's why I wanted it. With my smart ass attitude, I can't wait until mask mandates have to come back in my state. I can throw that thing on, walk in Walmart and go, what? What? But yeah. So I'm going to leave it kind of sealed for now because I'm planning on doing a much in-depth review on this thing. I will say this, guys, be careful because it comes with the filters. Be careful when you open those filters up. They have a free 3-year shelf life in the filter, but once you remove that filter, it's about 3 hours. So be sure you're ready to use them when you open it. I saw that. I'm like, yeah. I just have to do it. Maybe for a live feed one day, maybe for something else. I've got to have fun. So that's why I spent the money to get it. Now, we're getting to the knife of the month. Now, this is a company that I've seen Battlbox using an awful lot. It's the Williamson Copenhagen chips. Oh, 2-chunk. So you're either going to get, I think it was like a black and brown, or like a white and gray, or, you know, something like that. It says one of 3 color options, olive, gray, or brown. So I've already opened mine, and I've been playing with it. I do like the fact that they give you hardware to swap out the clip. So if you don't want the one that says Chibs, you can swap it out for a clear one. Comes in a really weird mesh bag. You know, a little mesh carry bag. No biggie. See, like I say, Chibs. We're going to have a full in-depth review on this one in a little bit. Smooth flipper open. Really, really smooth. So it looks like I got the brown and black, which I'm okay with. It's got that 14... Sandovic C, that Sandovic 14C SV, whatever, steel. It says it's got a ball bearing pivot, reversible. Ooh, deep reversible. Oh, I see how they did it. Okay, I'll get in there later. It's basically in there where you can reverse the pocket clip. Reversible pocket clip, G10 scales. Not bad for about $100. So basically, with what I paid for the box, with shipping, taxes, and everything, between the gas mask and this, he's paid for the box. But you're going to see a much more in-depth review on this, and I have to say, honestly, I don't know if it's going to pick up so well. The grind lines on this thing are abso-freaking-lutely beautiful. They really, truly are. This is a neat piece of blade porn, for lack of a better phrase. Alright, so, like I said, did things really, really differently for this box. And normally with Battlbox, you get, like, free crap. So... Sorry, I don't know if it's one per customer or whatever, but they give you 25% off on ReadyWise emergency foods. So that's not bad. But there we go, guys. That's my quick look at Mission 78 for Battlbox. I know it's been going from the channel for a while because I kind of got burnt out on monthly subscription boxes. I seriously did. You know? But, I want to know, what do you think of this box and what came in it? Like I said, I'm going to do more in-depth reviews on some of these things in a little bit. So you have those you got to look forward to. And, I know my camera's kind of on a tilt, so this may be weird. I don't know. First time back in the real chair for a while. But still, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please hit that thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get the channel out there and, reach more people. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, and let's see what we can do to implement that into a future video. Now, after all that fun stuff's being said, take a look right down there in that corner. All this is free, trust me. Take a look right there. You can see a big channel symbol popping up in a moment or two. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to enable YouTube to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Battlbox Mission 78, the Pro Plus level. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in our very next video.